Fish on, there we go. Fish on, guys. I told you last cast. Ooh. All right, everybody, welcome back to My Pop Fishing. This is Grandy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, hey, welcome back. Today, as you guys can see, we still have a very tame winter, so there has been no ice. So there you guys go. We're not ice fishing quite yet here locally in central Iowa. So hopefully pretty soon, though. Pretty in the next couple of weeks. I'm crossing my fingers, or I just might have to drive up north, is what it is. But today's video, check it out. This was probably one of the last outings I got a chance to go out in the fall before it's this transitional phase of fall to winter, waiting for ice time, at least for us, that is. So take a look. Caught some white bass, some multiple species, and stay tuned to the end. It was a surprise, I guess you could say, target species I was looking for. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I just want anything right now, anything that bites. I'll take a white bass or a nice wiper right now. All right, guys, just at a little local spot here. Figured I'd come out and see if I can catch anything today. Sorry, we're into the sun a little bit, but I don't know. Guess I could have went the other side. Man, the water is super low. I don't know if I've ever seen the water this low. See if we can catch some bait, because I wouldn't mind doing a little catfishing right now too. Something small. I'm gonna cut up. What's that? You have them? Ooh, fish on. There you go. No skunk. Yeah, white bass. I'm cutting this bitch up. There. Hey, everybody. There. Well, white bass. We'll take it. It's gonna be. Here you guys go. Hey, little white bass. It's gonna be perfect for bait. Cutting this baby up. All right. There should be some channels in here, right? Yeah, it was a Castmaster. Oh, shit. Yeah, he want to go back in. Cut this guy up for a little bit of bait. Let me see if I chuck this one out. All right. Let's go. Use the, oops, there we go. Use the head a little bit, and we shall see if this works. All right. Did I bring my, oh, I did bring my rod holder, everybody. Wow, somewhat prepared, I guess you can say. Somewhat. Let me see if I can. Well, that's gonna be hard. There's probably rocks everywhere, so I don't even know if I can find anything anywhere I can. Oh, here we go. Maybe not, or not. Oh, nowhere to stick this guy. Huh. Nowhere to stick him. I know what I'll do. I'm just gonna use man-made rod holder. So. Just use him. Man-made rod holder. There we go. Use that. See that. What's up? Who knows if I catch something out of it. Yeah, that was a white bass. You never know. If I catch a catfish out of that, it works. All right. Well, no skunk on that one. It's always a good day when you don't skunk. There we go. All right. Let's see if there's any other fish in there besides that dinky white bass. I'll take a big white bass, or ooh, I just get hit. Ooh, fish on, another small white bass. There's gotta be some predators chasing them, right? You would think. I think I just got hit big time on the freaking thing. Ooh, this guy choked it, of course. Poor guy. Oh, come on. There we go. Come on, buddy. Here we go. Let him go. Not bad. Catching some white bass. Hopefully something big comes and hits on that one. That's the plan. Something's nibbling on this guy. I better brace this guy down a little bit better before I end up losing a rod and crying. There we go. Let's brace this guy a little bit better, guys. That was probably one of the worst ways to set up a homemade rod holder. Do not copy me, anybody. There we go. Should keep that rod in place. Shall see. Here's Mr. Butters. You guys, there we go. Come on. There's gotta be some wipers in here, right? It's a beautiful night. I'm just using a, just in case you guys are wondering, I got a 10-pound test with a little rooster tail spinner, and hopefully leads me to something bigger. That's the goal. It's a plan. I hope I'm right. Well, the one good thing is Justin Fields showed improvement. What's that? Oh yeah, I mean that's all you can ask. When he has no offensive line, no weapons, ooh, fish on. Yeah, that's all you can ask for him to get, is to just improve. Hey, it's getting a little bit bigger. Take that. Getting a little bit bigger white bass. I'll take it all day. All right. There we guys go. Getting a little bit bigger. Go get your mama now, or your wiper cousins. Fish on, there we go. Fish on, there we go. The one feels a little bit better on this one. Feels a little bit better. Hey, it's a walleye. Hey, feels a little bit better because it was a sock. I'll take it. It's a fat sock, but we'll take it. Nice little walleye, guys. I'll take it all day. Nice little walleye. I am not harvesting though today, so technically this would have been a good eater, but I am releasing the walleye. Here we go, buddy. Hey, we'll take a walleye. Second species of the day. Ooh. I don't know if you guys saw that. I totally missed the hook set on that one. Well, actually, I did hook set it. He came up, just didn't land him. What the hell? Well, looked like a white bass. I don't know, but that was funny. Fish on. There we go. Another one. A little small though. Small. We'll take it. A little white bass. Hey. Another white bass. These guys are fun, even though they're small. Even when they're small like this, they're still fun. Still fun. Come on. This is what they call prime time. You would think it would be on fire right now. Currently, it's not. Let's change it. We gotta change our attitude. We gotta change our mindset. Think positive. Okay, in about 10-15 minutes, I'm gonna reel this guy back in and see if I can recast him, just in case I need to give him a little bit of a fresher bait, maybe. Still good. All right, recasted it out. So we shall see, everybody. All right, and what plastic are we gonna use? I'm thinking. Choose these guys. It's called a jackal. Shout out to my brother-in-law for these. They've been pretty decent to me. Fish on, there we go. It's been a while since we caught a fish. But, a white bass.
Hey, let me put that thing on my 8-aught that I have in my pool in my car.
You want it? At least I'm catching a little baby. Catching bait fish right now. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I'm catching bait fish. That was my goal, is to catch bait fish today. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna reel in catfish. I got about 20 minutes left. How much time I got left? Let's see. How much time do we have? About 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna cut some new bait on it, and we'll see if a little freshness works. Make sure there's no scales on the tip of the hook. And let's see if we can got 20 minutes to catch catfish. Let's see if I can make it happen. That would be ideal before it gets too dark. It'll probably be kind of cool. See if we can catch a catfish. Last 20 minutes left, guys and girls. Let's see if we can catch one. 20 minutes and counting. So I gotta go home. 20 minutes. Trying to catch a catfish in 20 minutes, butters. See if I can make it happen. And last cast. Last cast catch. Come on. Last cast catch. Had good luck doing the last cast catch, so let's see if I can do it right now. What's that? All right, one more cast. Since Butter said he had a thump, one more cast. Let me catch his fish for him. Nope. Fish on, there we go. Fish on, guys. I told you last cast. Ooh. A what? Oh, nice. I wasn't expecting it. I have no idea. Might. I might be all right. I might be able to get him. Maybe. We'll see. As he gets closer. Hey, at least I ended it. What did I say? I just wanted one to end the night, right? That was literally the last cast. Good thing I stayed a little longer. I think it is a kitty. I don't want to step on my other rod here. All right, there we go. A little chaos, doesn't hurt anybody. Think it was the kitty I was looking for. Nice channel. Hey, that's how you end the night, though. Oh shit! Get in here. There we go. That was a nice. There we go. Thank you, sir. Oh, that was a perfect hit. Oh, barely hooked at the end there. No. You guys are able to see. There you guys go. I don't know if you guys can see this guy. There you guys go. Nice little channel. This is kind of what I came for tonight. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of fun. Good thing I stayed one more cast. You know what? Who I'm gonna say this? I caught this fish because of Butters, because he said he had a thump. I literally was gonna leave, and I had one more cast left. So, shout out to Butters. There you guys go. Never give up. All right, I'm gonna let him go. I am not in the mood to clean any fish. Here we go. What's that? Yeah, no longer a bait fish video now. There you go. Like Butter says, never give up. All right, there you guys go. That was fun. I was just catching a bunch of bait fish, and that was a nice surprise walleye. That was kind of cool too. Luckily, I stayed for that one last cast, because as soon as I did that last cast, I got to bite on my catfish rod. You guys pretty much saw. And that was a nice channel cat. I'm not gonna lie, it was a unexpected, right before you leave type catch. So technically last cast catch, right? And like our buddy said, Butters always said, never give up. Never know on that. So other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the like button. Feel free, if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If not, all good. Other than that, make sure you guys check out Beerfish Fanatics podcast, myself and fishing kit. I'll put it up here somewhere. So check that podcast out. Super fun. We drink beer and just talk fishing. Can't go wrong with that. Two good combos. Until next time, guys.